We would like to take a few minutes to introduce you to some exciting new features in online and mobile access at Hanscom Federal Credit Union. When you log in, you will see a new Move Money tab. Click on the tab, and you'll see a new Move Money page with some familiar features like transfer money, deposit check, full bill pay, send money, and add member account, and a few exciting new features like add an external account and pay a HFCU loan. If you previously used Pay My Loan or external transfers, all of your accounts and transfers will be imported into this new system. Let's take a look at Add an External Account. Click on the tile, and if you have an account at another financial institution and you want to move money to and from Hanscom, you can add the account here. Enter the account number and the routing number, and when you click continue, we'll send you 2 small microdeposits, typically within 3 business days. Once you receive the microdeposits, come back to this page and click on this link in step 2 to verify the account. To verify, enter the 2 small amounts and click continue. And now your external account will show up in Transfer Money and in Pay a HFCU loan. So let's say we want to move money from our checking account to an external account. Click on Transfer Money, choose the checking account, choose the external account from the drop-down menu, enter the amount. You can make the transfer one time or recurring, and once you click Transfer Funds, the money will be debited from your checking account on the day you select and deposited to your external account the next business day. Paying an HFCU loan also has become simpler. On this page, you can make regular loan payments, principal-only payments, and pay off your loans from external and internal accounts. The options available depend on the type of loan and the account you're transferring from. So let's transfer from an external account to our credit card. You'll see the credit card details show up. You can choose the payment type available, use the default amount, or enter your own amount. You can also choose to make it recurring. And when you click Submit, the money will be debited from your external account and credited to your loan the business day after the date you select. Finally, let's look at the Activity Center. You'll see that both transfers I scheduled show up here in the Activity Center. If I click on one, I can see more details about that transfer. I can also click on the 3 dots and cancel or edit that transfer up until it begins processing, or I can send an inquiry to member services regarding this transfer. Thank you for being a member of Hanscom Federal Credit Union. We hope you find these new features useful.